What's good, baby? Hey, man, Vaughn, and I'm back with another video. Like, comment, subscribe, but let's get into it. So today's video, I will be breaking down other people's statistics, rated 1 through 10, and see how y'all like it and what y'all think about it, man. So if y'all like any ideas like this, hey, give it a like up, and we're gonna get straight into it. But first, I gotta introduce my Tradingview. If y'all use Tradingview, every trader use Tradingview. This is mine, Jihavian Goals. I joined in March 14, 2020. Like I said, it's been about 4 years since I've been trading. And yeah, I love the journey. And these was my jumps I used to my setups I used to post in like 2022. But I wanna, since it's the 1st of July, I wanna start posting every day up here, build a little of a following up here. Or, just expand my mind. Maybe I could get some, So if you like it, man, just, hit me up. And when I look at it, it's kind of the same way I still trade to this day. So I'm glad I ain't changed nothing. Just waiting for the price to retest and selling, basically. It all look good. It all look good. But let's get into the video. Ways, we just gonna kick the popular ones. We gonna click on about 4, and we gonna rate they setups and see how it is. So let's get into it. We're gonna do a popular one of, let's just do this one of Bitcoin. So basically this is his setup. As you can see, it's consolidating BLS. Does he explain what BLS means? So the market context. The current price action unfolds with a border structure of the bullish leg and began after a sharp reversal near 97,000. This impulse rally creates a clear fair value gap of a 4-hour chart left behind in a price surging upward. The minimum resistance following this move, the market entered at a consolidation phase, forming a range that has now been broken up to the upside. This kind of breakout often attracts breakout traders, but in this case, the context signals something more calculated. So he just basically explaining his thing. I can see he like fair value gaps. Most people kind of trade the same way. Basically, just call it different terms, to be honest. So as you can see, he's waiting for this fair value gap. Really, it's just open market. Usually where a market is very open, it usually always come back. So like I said, I usually wait to retest, but we gonna rate it 1 through 10, and I think he got a video for this. Do he? So what he's saying is he's waiting for price to come here to enter. To be honest, I don't really like this setup. I honestly don't like it. He got a lot of likes. I'm gonna give it a like, but I really don't like this setup. I give it a maybe a 4 out of 10. I don't really like it because it's like, even so you enter in here, I still feel like it can still drop even farther down. I don't feel like that's a good entry point. I just don't feel like that's a good entry, what anyone else say. But that one is a 4 out of 10. Let's go to the next one. So gold, I trade gold, so I really would want to see this. So gold, so basically he got it going for a downtrend. Let's see what he got on the charts. So he got it going down. And you know what? You know what's crazy? I did go today, and I was live. Like I said, if y'all want to tune into the live, 7 through 9 p.m. I go live around that time Eastern. But look, I even said it today, July the 1st. I said I have the market going down. So this is automatically a 5 for me. For me, you gotta remember, this is my rating. But this is automatically a 5 for me. Like I said, he's doing this fair value gap. I just don't like the fair value gap, to be honest. Because look, it's open space. The thing about fair value gap, I'm not saying it doesn't work. I'm just saying, since it's open space, doesn't mean it's going to hit an open space and drop. I think it just fills out open. Like, fair value gaps to me is good TP profits. I think it's very good. Like, it's very good TP profits. I'm trying to see his logic of this. Like, I'm not just gonna rate it because I got it selling like a 10 out of 10, but I'm trying to see his logic. Let's see. They've been recovering in recession thanks to the weakened dollar, but further growth uncertain. However, the price is still below the key range and important levels. Okay. At the beginning of the week, gold rebound from the monthly lows, aiming at the weak U.S. dollar, which remains under pressure due to the cycle with Japan uncertainty surrounding the budget expense or the Fed rate cut in September. Okay. Support levels. You guys, support levels. I like it. Like I'm not. I really do like it. I don't really like his drawing. I do like where he's coming from. Trading, this is not a casino. Good advice. Join me and I got you for a profitable trader. He got the Telegram and web content. So I like that. I like that. Uh, I say I say a 7 out of 10. I like it. He kind of explains a little bit. I wish he'd go more in depth. He does use different methods to see why is it dropping. I like that he's using the dollar. He's using other aspects in the market to get more confirmation to see why it's selling. So I like that he's using other things. Uh, he kind of explained like key resistance. Okay, okay. Like I said, maybe a 7-8. I say a 7-8. But so you can click on this, and we just gonna look at one more for today, and then yeah, I like this, man. I ain't gonna lie. You know, we tapping in with other people, seeing other people's strategies. I want to see a strategy that just look like crazy to me, like this one. So this one is V Rockstar. Let's see this. Um, I don't. Okay, Nasdaq. Okay, 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 okay. So he's Nasdaq. It's 625. So he got he uses a RSI, MACD, and a volume. Sure, why not? Don't we don't judge over here. If it makes you a better trader, shit, yeah, I'll take it. Okay, this is from previous years. So what he's saying short. So let me see his objective. If he's saying short, 6:30:25 V Rockstar short again. We don't really have anything disclaimer. It's pretty simple. One, alright, he's explaining it. One is recent. Harder gap on June 23rd gets filled. June 23rd gets filled. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. The gap gets filled. Usually, I ain't gonna lie, I've been studying gaps for a little bit. I don't really trade too much of gaps, but gaps does get filled. Like majority of the time in the market, that's a good one. The CFO leads get paid while pound shares on way out. LOL. No production indicates when real money will undergo value hard fought and it remains gifted. We keep on giving. I love donuts. I ain't no IQ man. Join the show so I get amazing. I've never got a thoughtful response to any of my fundamental points. Let me see. Uh I do think Nas is gonna sell before it's break new highs. To be honest, I don't think it's gonna break highs now. But I give him a I give him a 7 out of 10. The second one, I'm boosted up to 8. I said 7 or 8. I'm gonna say 8 flat. This one's 7. The first one was 4. And the crazy thing, I think the first one was like very good descriptive. It's just I just don't really. It's like it doesn't make sense to me. Like he just saying because it's a fair value gap. Maybe I should have read a little more. But yeah, those the three ones I like. So tell me what y'all like about it. Do y'all want me to keep doing this? Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Join my live Monday through Thursday, 7 o'clock through 9 p.m. I go at least live for an hour talking about my statistics, the how I trade, how you can be better, and how can you pass challenges. Hey, we out of here. Peace.